The House will be in order.
Madam Speaker, the President of the United States.
Members of Congress, the President of the United States.
The best is yet to come. Thank you, God bless you, and God bless America. Thank you very much.
Why did you rip the speech up, Madam Speaker?
Because it was the courteous thing to do, considering the alternatives.